Alongside Highway 603 in the Kill sits what remains of the Jordan River School, a building that once educated black students during segregation. Now nearly 100 years old, the wooden schoolhouse is collapsing. But preservationists say parts of the structure can still be saved. Allison Anderson, an architect with Unabridged Architecture, says much of the building's original wood can still be reused.
So much of the wood is still in good condition, can be salvaged, restored, and then put back.
The school was built in 1929 and once served black children from rural Hancock County. State officials say it's now the only surviving school building of its kind in the county.
The St. Rose School is gone now. The Catahoula School is gone. There were several of them around the county. Logtown School is still existing. It's just behind the gates at Stennis Space Center. And so, yeah, this is what makes this project so sort of meaningful.
Architects with Unabridged Architecture plan to carefully dismantle the building and rebuild it using as much as the original material as possible.
They're going to start at the top and they're going to salvage each board, each usable piece of lumber. They're going to number it and they're going to stack it and salvage it and keep it separated. They will, sort of replace it one by one in the same order.
Anderson says contractors are ready to begin work. Right now, the project is waiting on final building permits from Hancock County before construction can start. Once restoration begins, Anderson says preserving the building could help protect an important part of the community's history.
The community, especially after Katrina, lost so much of its history. And I think it's really critical to maintain what we have for the future, because this building can last another 100 years once it's restored. I mean, wouldn't that be great?
Reporting for the Roy Howard Community Journalism Center, I'm Justin Glowacki.